Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. In this video, we will learn how to create items with multiple packings in Logic ERP. In the main menu, go to Setup, Setup Items, then Setup Items Multiple Packs Sizes. This option is usually used in pharmaceutical and FMCG business. Start typing the name of item. Click on Image to add image of the item. You just have to browse it from your system and save it. You can also add description of the item as per your choice. Select the company to which the item belongs. If the required company does not appear in the drop-down list, then go to Setup Company option. Type the name and short name of the company and save it. Return to the Setup Item window. Select the newly created company from the drop-down list. Select raw or finished here. Choose the appropriate nature of the item. Choose the category to which the item belongs. These categories are the item groups that we already learned in the previous video. The software also allows you to choose any column as required or not required by right-clicking on it. If you set any column as required, then you will not be allowed to save the item without entering the details in that column. Choose the appropriate HSN code of the item. Also select the GST group to which the item belongs. Coming to the last tab, you can add multiple packings of the item here. If the pack doesn't appear in the list, click on New Pack. Enter a name and short name of the pack. Enter a unique code of the item in the item code column, which will be used for scanning while billing. In case the item has more than one codes, you can enter it in the additional item code. Enter the number of units contained in the pack. These are called conversion factors. This means that there are 32 sachets in a pack. The second conversion factor means there are 160 sachets in a case. Conversion factors are useful in cases where loose quantity is to be sold. Up to 3 conversion factors of single pack size of an item can be maintained. You can select different conversion factors for purchase and sale. You can see one pack size has been created. Swipe towards right to see its details. Let us make another pack size and enter conversion factors. This means there are 24 bottles of 180 milliliters each in a case. You can create as many pack sizes as needed. Click on Save to save the item and its pack sizes. Now let us also see how can we modify the existing items. Simply type the name of the item in the filter tree on the top right of the window and press Enter. Click on the item name. Now you can make desired changes in the item. You can change the name or any other details. After making the changes, click on Save. If you do not wish to choose conversion factors for sale and purchase every time, you can set default conversion factors. You will not need to select them every time you create an item. Default conversion factors have been set. You can also change the configuration of the Setup Item window as per your business requirements. Unlock the columns by removing the tick in front of them. You can see new tabs have been opened. You can enter different rates of the item in the Item Rates tab. This tab is used to maintain order levels of the items. Minimum level means the least stock of an item that should always be present. Reorder level refers to the buffer stock before the minimum level reaches. Maximum level means the highest quantity of an item that can be stored. In the Purchase Defaults tab, you can enter taxes, discounts, and other details. So whenever this item will be purchased, the default value will be calculated automatically. Similarly, you can set default values for sale as well. Let us now look at item creation in a pharmaceutical business. Simply enter the name of item and select the company to which it belongs. Choose the groups to which the item belongs. Enter the HSN code and GST slab. Choose pack size from the list. Enter the conversion factors. So 2 packings of 10 and 15 tablets each have been created. Let us finally look at the creation of a service item. Enter the name of the item. Choose the company name if you want to. Otherwise, just choose nil. The most important thing to note is that item nature should be defined as service item. Also tick the option of Do not affect stock item. Choose the item groups if you wish to. But make sure you define HSN codes and GST slab. If the HSN code doesn't appear in the list, then go to Setup Harmonious Codes. Scroll down to the end of the screen and type the code that you want to create. Then save it. Return to the Setup Item window and choose the newly created code. There is no packing of a service item. So simply choose a dot or hyphen. Click on Save to save the item. Thank you for watching this video. For more software-related updates, kindly subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell icon.